Hey everyone, it's Heather Nichols, and we are going to play with a masking stencil today to create this bright and colorful rainbow card, perfect for sending a magical birthday wish to someone special. I'll be using the larger circle in the Masking Stencils Circles collection, along with the Scattered Stars Stencil, Pixie Spray to hold everything in place. We'll add some sparkle with Nuvo Glimmer Paste in the Moonstone colorway through the Scattered Stars stencil. I'll of course use blender brushes, and here's the colors I'm going to use: Oreo, Guava, Pineapple, and Cookie Monster. And we'll add that cute little Pegasus using the Dreamer stamp set and die combo set. I'll start by spraying Pixie Spray on the back of my circle masking stencil, and then I'll use the guides on the stencil to place the stencil over the top of my piece of sugar cube cardstock. I'll use my blender brushes to add color into the circle opening on the masking stencil and create a rainbow blend. I'm using Guava, and then I'll use Pineapple, and I'll overlap Guava and Pineapple to create an orange tone, and then I'll use Cookie Monster underneath the Pineapple and overlap the Pineapple and Cookie Monster to get a green tone. And this will create a whole rainbow effect on my project using just these three ink colors. I'll leave the masking stencil in place and use the Scattered Star Stencil layered right on top over the opening on the masking stencil. I used Pixie Spray on the back of the stencil to hold everything in place. To add the sparkly stars to my rainbow background, I'll apply the Nuvo Glimmer Paste in the Moonstone colorway through the Scattered Stars stencil using one of my Nuvo Media spatulas. Use the spatula to spread the glimmer paste over the stencil openings, and just make sure you have a really nice even layer of the glimmer paste before you remove the stencil at the end. The masking stencil made it so quick and easy to create that cute rainbow background with the stenciled stars in no time at all. Next, let's put this card together. I used the Pegasus from the Dreamer set that I colored with Copic Markers. I used one of my sentiments that I had already stamped and embossed from the Simple Strips birthday stamp set and the coordinating Simple Strips die. It's so nice to have these sentiments ready to go and add them to projects when I need them. I'll add them to the project using some foam squares, and then I'll also add some star embellishments that I had in my craft stash. If you don't have wooden stars like these, you could add sequins or beads or whatever embellishment you have that would work with your project. My project is all done, and I just love that rainbow background, the perfect spot to add my cute little Pegasus, and it was created so easily with masking stencils. You can find masking stencils and the supplies that you need to create this project in the Taylored Expressions web store at tayloredexpressions.com. Thanks so much for joining me, everybody, and I'll see you next time.